Hello everyone, my name is Shweta and in this today video we talk about the fork strategy. I already make video for the same. So today we see the more position so you get more clarity about the fork strategy. So fork strategy means when we use one piece and attack on two pieces, that's a fork strategy. So now I show the position. Right now we have noticed this queen make a wall so king not go up. So, as well as this rook is also stuck but protected by the king. So now we focus on the queen and apply the fox strategy. So I have noticed when I go my queen one step up, so this queen attack on the king as well as rook. Right now, king has multiple option to protect himself. That is move to g2, h3, g4. And if the king go anywhere, we simply use our queen and capture this rook. Next position. Right now, king is open. So we just notice this bishop has no support. So now I just move my queen to the a4 and attack on the king. Right now, the black has multiple option to protect the king. The one is move the knight, move the bishop, move the queen down, or move the king to any other position. So it's a black choice. Black move the pawn one step down and we can simply use our queen and capture this bishop. Next position, right now, the black apply the fork attack on us. Like this knight attack on the this rook as well as this rook. So we're not able to protect both the rook in this position. So we just move the knight to f6 and attack on the king. King has two options to protect himself, and after that we analyze if we just move to d7, so we also have option to apply the fork attack. So I just move this, and now I just move this knight, this capture. Now an option to capture this knight by rook or queen, and I have an option to move the knight and capture this queen. So I do the this one. So now if the black capture my knight, so I also do the same. Next position. In this position, this rook in a good position. So the king not come down. And now I focus on the queen and find out ki how many option the queen has. The white queen has to move and attack on the king. So we have noticed ki we have a two option. One is the f5, another one is a c4. So when I move to the f5, I give check to king and king has only one option to protect to move the b8. But when I move to the f5 and attack on the king we are not able to attack on again. So we just go to the another position like the c4. So when I go to the c4 attack on the king, and when the king changed the position, again I move to the c7 with the help of rook and again attack on the king. So I just move this position, attack on the king again. Now I can easily do checkmate by moving the b7 and capture by the queen, and that's a mate. But the problem is this queen. If the queen is not there, we just simply move the queen to b7. If the queen not in this line, just move any other position. So we just capture and do checkmate. But now we have captured this rook, and again that's a mate. King has no option to run away. Next position. Again lot of pieces we have, so right now we focus all the pieces from black side which has no support. So we have noticed this rook has no support and this bishop has no support, even this pawn also had no support. So we find out nobody attack on this rook, this is safe. We have an option to capture this pawn by bishop. Now I just move this queen and attack on the bishop. Then, so, and also it's a fork attack. I just move my queen to up, attack on the king as well as the bishop. Okay, so that's also a fork attack. Next position. Now in this position, this knight already capture my rook. With the help of queen, we not apply the fork attack because queen has nobody support this queen. It's a blunder. So we think कि if I capture this rook, so bishop will capture me because I give check to king and king has no option to run away. So that's a forced position. Then I move my bishop to c5 and attack on the king as well as the queen. So again, this is a fork attack. And the bishop is also supported by the knight. So when the queen capture me, I also capture the queen by knight. So I easily get this queen. So hope you understand what you mean by fork attack and what's the easy way to find out the fork strategy positions. So for more videos, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.